So, hello friend, it's me Akash Saxon, and you are watching the English Journey from here on this channel, English Journey from here. So, this channel is special for those persons who want to speak in English. Okay, so firstly, starting the video, I have to tell you one thing. I'm also a beginner, and I'm also trying to speak English daily by daily on a regular basis. Okay, if you are beginner, so this channel is special for you because I'm also a beginner and I'm trying to speak English and I'm improving my English daily by daily with the using of some efforts. Okay, so how I am practicing English. I'm practicing English for 3 4 tips, 3 4 ways. Which type of 3 4 ways I am using for speaking English? Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so you have to just learn and listen and watch the carefully. Okay, so I am in front of you and I'm sitting on my bed. Okay, and I'm shooting the video. Okay, this is a mic and front of me is a camera. I'm shooting. Okay, it's a on mode. So let's start. English is not a very tough language, it's a very easy when you will try to understand the whole meaning, so you can easily speak in English. Otherwise you only think English is hard and I can't speak in English. Okay, so don't matter. Okay, don't think too much. If you will think too much, then you can't learn English. So just you have to speak daily by daily with the help of your friends, your teachers, your neighbors, your family members. Okay, when you will try to speak and when you will fit in your mind, I have to just learn English. I don't know how can I learn, but I have to just learn, only learn. Okay, when you will do this, when you will think about it, so you can easily English learn. Otherwise you will only think English is not good, how can I learn, I should join the coaching, or I should watch the many videos, which type of grammar rules I have to follow for speaking English. So here are many things. Okay, but a beginner want to learn, so it's only do for what? Speaking, listening, watching, and try to speaking. Okay, it's a way of learning English. If you will follow these tips, so you can easily learn. Otherwise you will sticking. Okay, I'm also sticking and I'm also making a many mistake. Okay, but still I'm trying daily by daily. I know about it, my English is not good, but still I forget about the negativity, but I just follow on the positive activity. Okay, so you have to just follow tips of English is speaking. Just like you have to just take a notebook and start reading. Read aloud. How you read the book? Just take a book and open the page and just read. Once upon a time there was a king and he has a too much anything. I just telling you. Okay, and there was a boy and he is a very good in play. Okay, and he's not intelligent वगैरह वगैरह etc. Okay, just you have to read. Okay, then when you complete the read, then you have to come just open your phone and television etc, so you can watch the movies in English. Okay, not Hindi, in English with subtitle. Okay, and after that if you are bored in watching the movie, so you can play the what? Cartoon. You can play the cartoon, you can watch your favorite cartoons. Okay, okay, it's a way of learning English when you will follow these things, watchings and listening and reading and trying to speaking, so you can easily learn. Okay, I am learning English and it's my processing. I am doing the processing of speaking English. English is not good, but still I'm trying. And in this video, I noticed every video I am making mistake, but it's not it's not what it's not a big deal. Okay, just I have to speak. I thought daily by daily I have to learn. I have to speak gradually, day by day. I'm improving my English. Okay, so it's a positive way. When you think the positive way, so you can easily achieve that things which you want in your life. Okay, so I want to speak in English. So just like you can add a new things in your daily routine. Daily routine means what? Before sleeping you have to just recall your whole day activity which you do. Okay, which you did in your whole day. Just 5 a.m. early in the morning you wake up, and after that to take bath, then breakfast, then go outside from work, and after come back there, then you eat the lunch, then you use the phone and you did many activities with okay, so you have to explain that things in English. When you will try these things, so you can easily speak in English. And after that you can watch your favorite character, means which your favorite channel. Just like I'm using there is a I'm watching the many videos on YouTube. Okay, just I'm watch the podcast, and after some time I watch the some movie clip, then I watch some cartoons, then I watch podcast. Okay, and movie clips and many things. Okay, so it's a way of learning English when you will follow these things, so you can easily speak English. Okay, so bye, this video is enough for today, so we will meet the next video. Just you have to keep trying, practicing, and one day you can speak easily English in a very good way. So bye bye.